Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Just a quick video for you today. Remember, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I talk about anything yarn and crochet related on my channel, and if you look below in the description box, the very first thing you'll see is a link to a playlist to all my hundreds and hundreds of crochet tutorials, all free for you to enjoy. So hit that subscribe button and that like button. So this quick video, I'm just going to show you the basic all the basic stitches from single to quadruple. So from short to tall, they're all very easy to do, and once you know the basic stitches, you can do anything your heart desires. Are you ready? Let's do it. So for the purpose of the tutorial, I'm using, this is Red Heart Super Saver Ombre in the color Spearmint. It is a medium weight number 4, 100% acrylic, and I'm using a size I, which is a 5.5mm crochet hook. Alright, so I'm just starting out on a base chain of single crochets just for the purpose of this tutorial to show you the stitches. So we'll start out, these are US terms. We'll start out with number 1, which is the single crochet. So that's where you go into the stitch, draw up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and go through all 2 loops. That's a single. Next one up is a half double crochet. We're going to yarn over and then go through the stitch. Draw up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and go through all 3. So that is the half double. Next one up would be the double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go through the stitch, draw up a loop, and then we're going to yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on our hook, and then yarn over and go through the next 2 loops on our hook. So that is the double crochet, because we yarned over and went through the first 2 loops on our hook twice. Double. The next one is going to be the triple crochet. This time we're going to yarn over twice. 1, 2. We're going to go into the stitch and draw up a loop, 4 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and go through the first 2 loops on our hook 3 times because it's a triple. Ready? Yarn over and go through the first 2. That's 1. Yarn over, go through the next 2. That's 2. Oops, split my yarn. Yarn over and go through the next. It's 3 times we did that, and that is the triple crochet. Now we're going to do the double triple. So we're going to yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times we wrapped our hook. We're going to go into the stitch and draw up a loop. And now you can see that we have 5 loops on our hook. So we're going to do the yarn over and go through the first 2 loops 4 times this time. Yarn over and go through the first 2. That's 1. Yarn over, go through the next 2. That's 2 times. Yarn over, go through the next 2. That's 3 times. And yarn over and go through the remaining 2. That's 4 times. And that is the double triple. Now we're going to do the quadruple. So we are going to yarn over 1, 2, 3, 4 times on our hook like that, and we're going to go into the stitch, draw up a loop, and you can see now that we have 6 loops on our hook. So we're going to yarn over and go through 2 loops at a time 5 times. So there's 1, yarn over and go through the next 2, there's 2, yarn over and go through the next 2, there's 3, yarn over and go through the next 2, there's 4, and yarn over and go through the next, or the last 2, and that is 5. That is the tall stitches. Now you can keep doing that and doing it, wrapping more and more and more if you want, but those are the tall ones. Easy enough to do. What do you think? Single, half double, double, triple, double triple, and quadruple. You got this. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.